In this video, we're discussing member payment. First, we'll navigate to the member section and click on the member payment. Once the interface opens, we'll encounter the member payment management screen. Here, we'll find a table displaying payments made by housing society to the members. The purpose of the member payment in a housing society are the money that the society gives back to its members, like dividends or returns on investments, providing financial benefits to the members. To add a new member payment, click the Add New button. You'll encounter a form with fields to fill out. First, select the transaction date. Then, search and select the party account by either searching the member's name or ID. Once you've selected the account, a table will appear on the right side, displaying details such as costing head, due amount, paid amount, and balance amount. The rows highlighted in light red indicate the remaining amounts for this member. Next, there is a select field for choosing the bank where we will select the bank, then select the check date, and then enter the check no in the input field. Below that, there's an input field for the total amount, where we'll input the total amount we are paying. Below this input field, the total amount in words will automatically appear. Then, we'll add any remarks and click the Save button to submit the form. Once you submit the form, you'll see a print voucher for the member payment. After closing this tab, you will be redirected to the Member Payment Manage screen, where you can see all the added member payments. If you want to view specific member payments, you can select dates in the From Date and To Date fields. After submission, the member payment will appear in the table, showing details such as serial number, voucher number, type, date, total, and action. You can edit, delete, print vouchers, or check other print forms using the buttons provided in the Action column.